Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make laptop like new again, and I'm going to show you how to reset your laptop. So first of all, hit your Windows key and type in settings. It will open the settings. Go to the system, scroll down just a bit and click on recovery. Here you'll be able to see an option called reset this PC. Simply select that. Now you have two options, keep my files and remove everything. So if you select the above option, which is keep my files, it will remove all the installed applications, but it will keep your images and documents, whatever is stored into your hard drive. So if you select remove everything, it will wipe like factory reset. It will wipe everything, your photos, your videos, your personal files, just like you have unboxed a new laptop. So you can select either option as per your choice. I will select keep my files. Now it will give you two different options. I prefer local reinstall, so I will select that. Click next. Now on the final step, ready to reset this PC. Resetting will change settings back to their defaults, keep personal profiles, and reinstall Windows from this device again. Remove all the applications and programs that has been installed on my laptop right now. So this will take a while and your PC will restart, and all you have to do is simply select the reset button, and that's simply how you can make your laptop like new again. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.